Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix VAL 9 error code of Valorant game on Windows PC. Method 1. Check server status. Before you try any of the other potential fixes below, you should begin this troubleshooting attempt by checking whether the game is currently in the middle of a server problem. You can verify the status of the Valorant servers by head over to the Riot Games service status page to check and see if there are any recent server issues. Otherwise, you can simply visit the third-party down detector website for see if other users playing the game on the same platform as you are currently seeing the same error. If the server is experiencing downtime, you just need to wait for the server to become operational again. If the server status is normal, you can try the next method. Method 2. Delete the Riot Games folder. Exit Valorant Client and Riot Games. Locate the Riot Games folder on your computer. Before deleting it, you had better back up its content to a different drive and then delete it from the original location. Reboot your computer to save the changes and then you'll find VAL 9 doesn't appear anymore. Method 3. Check internet connection. VAL 9 can also appear under a slow and unstable internet connection. If in case you're using a mobile data connection over 4G, 5G, then make sure to use a Wi-Fi connection and by sitting close to the router. I also recommend Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, because the Ethernet provides a stable connection, however the Wi-Fi might fail to provide a stable connection as Ethernet. Because if some of the mobile devices are connected with your Wi-Fi, then your internet speed might get unstable. On the other hand, if you use Ethernet, you will not face the unresponsive internet connection. Besides, you should halt any downloads that might be hogging the bandwidth. And make sure other devices aren't hogging the internet bandwidth. Try power cycle your Wi-Fi router by turning it off, then unplugging the power cable from the router. Waiting for around 30 seconds and then power on the router. If still not okay, try run the troubleshooter by go to settings. Select system. Select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Select run on internet connections. Now, it will automatically detect and fix internet connection problems for you. Please wait patiently. Once done, restart your PC and check if problem is fixed.